Jai Srimanarayana. 37th sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ayati Shraddhayopetaha Yogat Chalitamaanasaha Aprapya Yoga Samsiddhim Kam Gatim Krishna Gacchati. Om. Keep faith, have eagerness, Shraddha, put every effort and start remembering yourself. That is called Atmadhyanam. You will definitely attain perfection in Atmadhyanam. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall keep faith, have eagerness, and put every effort in remembering myself, Atmadhyanam. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam apeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th Skandham, 9th day, Sota Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma along with Devatas and Bhudevi went to Kshirasagaram, prayed Sriman Narayana and heard Sriman Narayana's words, orders. Then Brahmadeva communicating, conveying all Sriman Narayana's message to Devatas, saying like this, "O Devatas, you all have to be born in Yadu dynasty. Then Sriman Narayana will be born to Vasudeva as his son. All Devatas, ladies, the women, are going to be born as gopikas. Then Vasudeva Kalanantaha Sahasravadanasvarat Agrato Bhavita Devo Harehe Priyachikirshaya. Srimannarayana's main spark is Ananta. He himself is known as Sankarshana. He is going to be born as Baladeva, who is going to be the elder brother of Sri Krishna. Not only that, Vishnoham Maya Bhagavati E Prapanchamellan Ye Mayache Mohitatmayaguchunundun Atti Maya Kamalanabhunagnya Karyardhamai. There is one Adhisthana Devata to the Maya, Maya Adhisthana Devata. That Devata is going to be born to fulfill Sriman Narayana's mission, project. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma conveyed message to Devatas, and after that all the Devatas Swadhama Paramam Yayau, they all went back to their own abodes. After that, Asvasya cha Mahim Girbhihi, Chaturmukha Brahma comforted Bhudevi, and then he also went back to his own abode. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 37th sloka. Ayati Shraddhayopetaha Yoga Chalitamanasaha Aprapya Yoga Samsiddhim Kam Gatim Krishna Gacchati. Ayati Shraddhayopetaha Yoga Chalitamanasaha Aprapya Yoga Samsiddhim Kam Gatim Krishna Gacchati. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.